Hi guys, it's Claudette with Claudette's Charms, back again with another project video. I want to show you some finished projects that I was able to do on my generic Sentro Jam It machine. So yeah, I did several hats, a scarf, and a pillow, and I want to show you those projects. So first thing I did was this cute reversible simple yellow hat. Whoops. I have it in the picture that you clicked on with it on, but this is just a clippy, and I wanted to show you it is reversible, so you can turn it inside out like this. You just put this one inside, and there's a lot of videos, tutorials, but I'm going to do a couple of my own on how to do this. And then see, you flip it inside out and you can have the yellow part as the brim. And then these, Hobby Lobby has these little flippy flowers, and I just thought that was so adorable. This was really fast. This yarn was, oh, I meant to grab it. I showed it to you in another video. It's Hobby Lobby. I got it on clearance for like $1.78. That soft yellow marble-esque. It's got some wool in it, and they had them on sale. And then this one, I think this was that cotton blend. I want to say mandala. Oh, I can't remember. It's in my other videos on, I think my first yarn haul video, I mentioned it. I don't know. I'll try to link it. Sorry, guys. If you have questions, ask me below and I'll find out what it is. Okay, this one is a little baby hat that I did, and this yarn is just Walmart's generic cotton yarn, and it is a lot like, I love this cotton that Hobby Lobby has. I think Crystal from Bag a Day Crochet did a video. It is the same yarn. It's made in Turkey, and I love it. It's wonderful. I love this yarn. And the white is also that yarn. So it did drop no, it didn't drop stitches. It just, I don't know. It gave me some trouble. I think it did drop some stitches I had to fix, but it wasn't bad at all on the machine. So that one turned out good. This one, it did drop a couple stitches. This was Red Heart Super Saver yarn. It didn't like that as much. I think I had to stop because it started dropping stitches with this. I don't know if I'm just holding the tension wrong or putting the tension in wrong. I'm trying all different ways, and I just glued a little flower, fabric glued a flower on there. I did the brim by hand, and there's, like I said, there's videos out there on how to do all of these. I'll try to remember which one I looked at and link it below. Then this one, okay, what yarn was this? Oh, this was from my first Hobby Lobby haul. It was that, oh, it's already gone. I can't tell you what it was. It was that pink and gray, and it had some navy blue. Are they called sugar? It's in a cake. Anyway, that's what I used. This gray, though, is another gray that I just had laying around. As long as they're like a thinner worsted weight, they seem to do better. But then I put this little ridge with the gray here just to give it some kind of a different edging. And like I said, there's videos on YouTube on how to do that. And I'll try to link the one I followed below. Then I made a pillow. This is that yarn again, that marble-esque yarn that Hobby Lobby had on sale for $1.78. Little balls of it. Well, they weren't that little, but I'll grab it so you guys can see it. But anyway, that I made this a pillow because it started to drop stitches. So I just cut it off and ended it. And I put this on by hand, this little ruffling, and just stuffed it. It's really cute. So hang on one sec. I'm just going to grab that yarn. Hold on. So the reason I want to show you this yarn is because the machine pretty much loved it. It really didn't give me trouble. This one gave me a little trouble towards the end, but for the most part it did really well. And this is a, let's see what weight this is. Sorry guys. It's a 4, and it does have wool and acrylic and alpaca. I love this yarn. I love this yarn, even though that's not what it's called. And like I said, it's by Yarn Bee. It's called Marblesque, and they still have some clearance, so go check that out. And then this one, oh boy, what yarn was this? This was that sparkly yarn I got in the Hobby Lobby haul too, in their actual clearance. So I turned this into a scarf because it started dropping stitches too. Later on, I don't understand. If you don't feed your yarn right, I'll show you how this works, and you come upon a knot or the tension just gets too hard, man, it just starts skipping stitches and dropping stitches and all kinds of weird stuff. I forget what it's called when it like doubles the stitch. But anyway, basically, I should have shown you this first. I folded this piece over and just stitched it, and it's double layered so you can't see the stitches. And basically you just put this inside of it. I did a little edging. It's just a simple chain 3 slip stitch border on the edge. This edge, I didn't do any edging, I just sewed it. And I did the stitches so you can't see it on the outside. I just did it to the first layer. I did, I think it was 200. Oh, I can't remember how many rows. 170 to 200. But anyway, there you go. And I just glued a little, fabric glued a little flower. And I love it. I think it came out perfect. I think that's it, guys, for the Sentro. But I am working on doing some tutorials for you guys. So I'll see you soon. Please subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel so I can do more videos for you. Thanks so much. Stay safe, everyone. Bye-bye.